Alright, let's begin. So for this week's assignment, we had to create the three asset managers, the managers for the shaders, textures, and models. We also had to create the load resources function to get the loading of the assets outside of Game.cpp. And we finally had to add the memory tracking system. So as you can see here, memory tracking passed and 0 leaks. So the load resources, it just calls each of the managers and loads what we need for the demo. Start with the shader singleton. So for this one, we only have loading from the file. So we have some testing to first make sure that we don't have the same key already. This is because if we try and put in the same key twice, the thing prior put into that key would be disappeared. We would have no way to access it anymore. So that's how I do that. Then we have the getter, again, making sure that we're trying to get a key that exists, and then unloading all the shaders. Textures, we have the same thing of checking for a file, but this one also has an RGB texture that we can make, so we have to check for that one as well. And then if I go over here to first show, if two assets have the same key, we crash because it already exists and it tells us which key is the one that already exists. So if I just quickly get rid of that, we can now see it will load again without frigate being exclusively red rather than having the old texture. Finally, for the models we had to do a file path, pre-made models, and also different dimensions for the planes. Then we have our getter and our unload. And over here we have our getter and unload. And that's it.